Veteran radio broadcaster Alan Magnus has died at age 80 years old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Veteran broadcaster Alan Magnus has died. The Magnus family announced that he passed away early this morning. In a statement, RGR Gleaner Group expressed condolences to his family and close friends. Alan, who was 80 years old in December, worked with RGR for over 40 years. Magnus' family is requesting privacy at this time as they try to come to terms with this tragic loss. After spending over 40 years in broadcasting, Magnus retired in 2017, leaving behind a lasting legacy in broadcast radio. His wife, Kerry Magnus, died in 2019 from swine flu, and 4 days later his on-air partner, Doreen Samuel, died from pancreatic cancer. Known for his infectious laughter and good natural banter, Magnus started his broadcasting career as an engineer with the telephone company. He was drawn to media due to the natural love for it. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.